Ano?
Papa, daddy shop. One car.
Your mama and papa had a beautiful car?
Yeah.
Okay. How many car you have in your house? You have in your house?
No. Papa, the monster car.
Monster car?
Monster car. Papa.
How many car?
One, two.
Huh?
One, two.
One, two, or two?
Monster car.
You have a two car?
Monster car.
A monster
My
car?
car. The papa. Tito car.
Oh. Saan? May monster car ka sa bag mo? You can get your toys in your bag.